All right, let's talk about how you can select a large amount of cells all at one time within Excel. So here in our data set, we just have some random data. We have the dates, which I just put all as today, the unit number, the price, cost, and the profit for that unit. Now, if we scroll all the way down, we can see that there are 30,000 rows here. Now, let's say that we wanted to copy this data and paste it onto another sheet or adjacent to it. If we click, select, and drag, we can drag all the way down to 30,000, but that's going to take forever. So what we can do to select the data is we can select the cell where we want to start. Then if we hit Control Shift right arrow, that's going to select all the cells all the way across until it hits an empty cell. Then if we hit Control Shift down arrow, that's going to automatically select all of the cells until Excel sees a blank row. And we can Control C to copy that and paste that in a different location. Now you can also copy or select the entire column by clicking the column letter. And if I click and drag across, I can select columns A through E. Now, let's say that we don't want to highlight or select all 30,000 rows. We only want to select half of the rows for whatever reason. What we can do is select the first cell. Then up here at the name box, we can type the last cell we want. If we wanted to highlight all of these cells all the way down to 15,000 rather than the 30,000, we can select the first cell, hit the name box, and that last cell is going to be E and then 15,000. Now we're going to want to hit Shift Enter, and that's going to select all of those cells all the way down to E 15,000. Now if we wanted to say we only wanted to select column B, we would select the first cell in column B, and then we would hit B 15,000, Shift Enter, and it will only highlight all the way down 15,000 rows for that particular column. And then we can Control C and then Control V to paste that wherever we need to. But that's how you can select a large amount of cells all at one time. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button before you go. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.